Hi there, it's Sylvia Gorenszach here. How is everybody doing? I am so glad that you are watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and so that you'll always be aware of when my next video comes up. So today we're going to do this little design here, and it's in different layers, so different steps. I have a base of Ida My Soul on here using Sultry Sunset, Meet Me at the Chapel, and sorbetto al limone with a little bit of Raven's Kiss. So you'll see that I have a subtle little design here too. That's a stamping design with a mixture of silver and black gel polish for the stamping polish, these ones right here. So let's get right down to it. First, we take our silver stamping polish and put it on the plate and scrape it down. And next we're going to take our black stamping polish just so that we have a little bit darker and that black and the silver mixes together, and then we'll place it on the nail with our stamping head. Once you have the design on the nail, then make sure you do a full cure of that. Next, we'll take a large ended dotting tool from the Creativity Kit and use Sultry Sunset to create a large circle on your nail. It's going to be the largest circle that you have, and the other two circles that we put on there are going to be smaller. Give that a full cure and then place a second coat on there so you have a good pop of color. Once that's fully cured, we're going to move on to Meet Me at the Chapel and place an overlapping circle over that Sultry Sunset. You'll want to cure that first coat and then put a second coat on so that it's a nice white color. Next, we'll take sorbetto al limone and place a little circle on top. Be sure to do 2 coats of this as well and cure in between. Next, take a little bit of Raven's Kiss and the long striper brush from our Creativity Kit to draw the stems of our flowers. Take the smallest dotting tool out of our Creativity set to draw the petals. When you put the circles or the little dots on the nail, you're not going to actually put it right on the stem, you're going to put it near the stem. So when you flip over that dotting tool, you can then draw the polish towards the stem so that the petals join the stem. Finally, we'll take a little bit of Clearly Frisky and finish off the look, especially when you're using multiple levels of polish like this. It just smooths it all out. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.